In this video, I will show you step by step how you can unlink a device from WhatsApp. So if you've got your phone, for example, and also another device logged into your WhatsApp and you want to remove one of these, what we can do is head over to WhatsApp and then you want to go over to your settings and by clicking on the settings option in the bottom right hand corner, and then you simply want to click now on linked devices. Now, once we do this, as you can see, I have got a linked device, which is my MacBook, and it's on Google Chrome. So I want to remove this, right? So I want to click on it. And then once you click on it, what we can now do is we can simply go down and click on the logout option. And then once you click on the logout option, you will then see an option to click on logout to confirm that you want to log out of that device. So click on logout, and then as you can see, that will then log you out of WhatsApp on that specific device. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.